an important 36-hour forecast for us Acadiana, and a couple things on the synoptic large-scale view giving a little bit of concern for the severe weather we're expecting on Saturday. First, we have this deep amplified trough bringing in lots of moisture into South Louisiana, as well as this high pressure system. These typically flow anticyclonically, so as you can see, those winds around both are pulling in tons of moisture into the area, and that is going to set us up for some severe weather on Saturday. We have a stalled front, that's why it hasn't happened yet, and we're just seeing repetitive wind and dry conditions so far, but this will eventually start to move, and we'll see that Saturday night. Currently, over the next 24 hours, we maintain our wind advisory that we have had. I'd expect to see that Saturday as well as our coastal flood advisory. We're maintaining that as well, and possibly some patchy fog I would be expecting coastally in the morning as well. Gusts continue, although I don't think they're going to be as strong as yesterday. I think we're going to see strengths much similar to today. Lake Charles had the highest. Lafayette ended up with a highest gust of 37. So continuing on with those gusty conditions, setting us up for that severe weather. Looking at rain chances, pretty low on Friday, likely those prefrontal showers really isolated. But here you can see Saturday night, that weather is coming in, and it has the likelihood to be severe. How severe and what can we expect? We are in a level 3 of 5 for most of Acadiana, where our coastal parishes are in a level 2 of 5. What does that mean as far as risks? These are the modes of severe weather that you can be prepared for and concerned with. All of them are on the table: tornado, wind, hail, and flooding. But wind is primarily one of the more damaging things that we're expecting. I am also pretty concerned with rainfall totals because we're so saturated. We are hatched in for an excessive rainfall risk, so the WPC is looking at that and concerned with that as well. We have some estimated rainfall totals. Models don't do a great job of this. We'll have a better idea tomorrow when we have some high-res models putting out totals. Right now we're seeing mostly 2 inches, but I'm expecting more. The atmosphere is so saturated. If those storms can really get going and get the strength they need as the front pushes through, we'll have some efficient rain producers. As far as the timing that you can expect on those storms, Saturday by 3 p.m. they're approaching Acadiana. You can see we already have some light rain going on, but the main event coming Saturday night, and that is here. This is when I think we will need to be really weather aware. Have your KATC weather app downloaded so you can get your warnings, because overnight is when I would expect we would start to see them, possibly flood watcher warnings, tornado watch possible, all things to consider. And then finally Sunday and then Monday, clearing up. We finally get a break. We have had so much weather. Not only that, temperatures will cool down. We've been in the 80s. Look at this, 59 by Monday. We all love that. We want a break from the heat, the humidity, and then of course the winds, which have just not given up at all. So in your 10-day forecast, you can see that here, where Saturday, Sunday is our severe weather, and our reward for making it through all of that, look at all the sunshine on the way, cooler temperatures, a low even of 43 possible on Monday night. So hang tight, stay weather aware, don't let weather fatigue get the best of you. About 3 more days and then we'll be good to go. We'll take one final look at weather coming up in just a bit.